Are you a mobile creator, but you can't find an app that can give you that professional looking video that you're looking for? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 best apps for Android that can make your videos stand out from the crowd. Keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, then you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, if you're getting value from these videos that are on the channel and you want to support the channel, you can do that by getting your Humble Hustle design tees. I know when you look on Play Store, there's so many options to choose from, and that probably leave you confused, like, which one do I use? And what's funny is, most of these apps on the Play Store are not even a complete editor. They do not allow you to do what you want to do. They do not give you full control so you can be creative and create what you want to create. So let's jump right into this video so that I can introduce these apps to you because I know you're going to love them. They are great. And first on the list is Inshot. And I know your first question, so let's get it out of the way. Is it free? This app has a free version, but to export your video, if you want to export your video without the watermark, there are ads throughout the app. So if you watch that ad right before you export, then that's going to allow you to export your video without the watermark. But there are also 3 options to upgrade to the Pro version that's going to unlock more features and remove the watermark. Let's get into it. So with Inshot, you can pay for a lifetime use at around $43. And if you want to pay yearly, you can pay $13.99. If you want to pay monthly, you also have that option where you can pay $4.39. So this app is a very easy to use app, very fast when it comes to editing your videos. It is very simple, so you cannot do multi-layered videos or multi-layer audio. But it has really great filters and color correction, and it also allows you to change dimension, like change frames while editing. So if you start editing your video for a YouTube video and you decide that, oh, I want to change the frame size for an Instagram post, then it gives you the option of changing it within the app. Pretty cool. But remember, this app is not an advanced app, so it doesn't give you a lot of other features that a more professional app would give you. So if you're a person that wants to be creative and wants your video to pop and stand out more and stand out against the crowd, you might want to choose one of the next 2 options that we're going to talk about. Next on the list, you have Kinemaster. This app is a very popular app, and it is popular for a reason. It is very easy to use, and it is great for editing a more professional looking video. So the Kinemaster app gives you a lot more advanced feature. Like you have multi-video layer, you have multi-audio layer, you have transitions and effects, and advanced audio control. The Kinemaster app has features in it that you'd only find in a professional editing software. This makes for a great editing experience, and you can edit longer videos faster. It also supports different file types, so you can record on any different type of camera and it will also support it, so you can bring in your file right into it and it supports it. This is mind-blowing to me. Kinemaster supports 4K files. What? So you can edit 4K files and export 4K files on Kinemaster. That's crazy. So with this app, the free version does have a watermark though when you're exporting, but you can remove that at $5.20 per month or $42 per year. So with the Kinemaster app, you can do a lot. The app is for beginners straight up to more advanced users. so you can get cracky-lacking with creating those awesome videos. And last but certainly not least on the list, you have Powerdirector. And this app takes the show, baby. The Powerdirector app allows you to do everything that you can do on a professional editing software. And it's surprisingly easy to use and easy to understand. It also supports 4K editing and export, and you can do multi-video layers and multi-audio layers in this app. The Powerdirector app links with the PC version. So if you have the app on your phone and you also have it on your PC, what you can do is start editing on your phone and then finish it on your PC. Ain't that awesome? I think that's pretty awesome. This app also allows you to edit in different format and video size. But there is a but. The only thing is you cannot switch between them once you start editing, unlike Inshot. So that's one thing I do not like. There is a free version for this app, but it only allows you to export in 720p, nothing above that, if you're going to export with the free version, that is. But to unlock all the features and get rid of the watermark, you have 3 paying options. You can pay $7.50 per month, or you can do 3 months, which is $5 per month, or you can do yearly, which is $53 per year. Powerdirector is my top choice. It is very fast and effective. There's no limit to what you can do with this app. It is the complete video editor for Android. If you're using a Chromebook to edit and you're wondering what you can use to edit on a Chromebook, then go ahead and click this video right here, and it's going to give you a walkthrough of how you can edit your videos on Chromebook. And if you want to know how to grow your channel and get more views, then click this playlist right here. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, stay humble but keep hustling.